See that parrot right there? Trimble family life is good. He's in my yard just tearing up those avocados. It's the first time I've ever seen one of them in my backyard. It's a parrot, and he's eating. There's two of them. See him right there at the top on that branch. I don't know if I can get it to zoom in a little bit more for y'all. See if I can zoom in a little bit closer. See him right there? Make the light a little bit lighter for y'all. No, it's too much light. There you go. See him right there? He's tearing up my avocados. And that's a parrot. I didn't even know parrots was in my backyard, but if you're in a tropical place like Florida, I guess that's what it is. This is my first time ever seeing him in my backyard, though, a parrot. Wow. See him? He's climbing up the tree. A doggone parrot. I don't know where he went at. He's up higher. He's up on that higher branch. But there's a parrot. There's two of them. He hadn't came down yet again, but he's up there in that top branch. So in sunny Florida, you know. But there's his friend right there. See if I can zoom in and get some light on his friend. See his friend right there? See his friend right there? See him? Take some more light on. That's the old parrot. This is right behind my doggone game room. I'm hearing things beating on a thing. I'm thinking it's a raccoon or something. And this parrot's in the backyard dropping avocados. See him? He wants to eat all the fruits off the tree, so we won't have no doggone avocados. Ain't that something? The parrot. First we had the attack of the doggone raccoons. Now we had parrot jungle in my yard. Ain't that something? It's never a dull day staying where I live at. It's quiet and everything. But we had little parrots in our yard. I don't need to go to parrot jungle. Step out of my backyard and see parrots. How about that? God, please forgive me. I'm filming on my iPad. But yeah, we got the old parrots out here, and they're eating up everything. And all on the top. Guys, I don't know how long I can sit here and hold this heavy tablet, but I figure I'd just show you guys a picture of what's going on. Hold on. So we're gonna end this right here, guys. I just wanted to show you what's going on. This is the Trimble family. Life is good, and we are out like you.